In this next video, I will show you how to get started dragging and designing your very first website with this drag and drop interface, fully customizable with templates, and a very easy way to get started. Of course, I'm going to be needing to have a free account here into Canva. You have the link down below in the description if you want to get started totally for free, and you might be having now access to the dashboard. Directly here into canva.com, you want to understand what exactly are the Canva websites. So the Canva website is the builder perfect for beginners, and it's drag and drop interface and fully customizable templates. You can create a professional looking website that is responsive and easy to manage. To get started with this process, first of all, I'm going to head into the upper side, sign in, and now have access to the dashboard. Directly here into the dashboard, I'm going to focus here into the left part and go for create some design. You can create website here with this element that says website. So you have two buttons, both are totally okay. That's totally up to you which one you would like to choose. Automatically you're going to be now being prompted to check out here the preview visualizer, what we're going to be seeing here. This is our actual website. So this website is here into the upper side. Let's say that this is Tech Express website landing page, for example. And if you don't know how to get started here, let's focus into the left part. Into the left part, we have designs where you can check out a lot of templates, you can check out layouts, and you can check out styles. Now here we have elements, stuff that we can add into our website, for example, shapes, buttons, images, graphics, stickers, and much more stuff. Here we have text, branding, uploads, drawing, and so much more. Let's get started with a template, which is like the most easiest way to create a website. Into the section that says design, I'm going to click here and go for templates. Now here in the templates, let's say that I want to look out for here a landing page. Now for the landing page, I have all of these elements that I can use for my previous design. So what you need to do, of course, is to choose one design that you are more attracted to. For example, let's say this one. And you can see that here is like a preview of what we're going to be seeing here about images will do the work, the hard work, whatever. So if you think this one is too complex or you want to try with something else, go back, of course, and select one element that you would like to use. For example, this one. Now here I'm going to select and apply all the six pages because I wanted to start a website like this. So you can see that here we have now the design of editing our website. We have different layers that are, of course, looking like if it was an actual website. When you clicked into preview into the upper side, you can see how it's going to be looking your website when somebody clicks into the link that you provide to them. So since this is an actual website for Tech Express, I'm going to try to tell people that we are going to be focusing into some teaching and creating tutorials, right? So let's go here into elements and let's get started editing stuff here. For example, let's go for elements here into search elements. I'm going to just type the word, let's say for example, explainer or tutorials, select an image and drag and drop. The image of the drag and drop is going to be helping me to, let's say, create and change one image from another. Now, if I double click here, I can start by changing here our or teaching innovation. I hit here, it says view on YouTube. And here what I can do is to select the text. I'm going to go for font color white. And the button, I'm going to change this for a color palette related into YouTube. So this one works for me, right? Now what I can do is to show you guys to link here this button. So I'm going to click here into the section that says link, and I can enter a link or search, for example, youtube.com/Tech Express, and I go for done. So when somebody click into this link, this should be sending them directly into the YouTube of our channel. Now scrolling a little bit down, we have here the second section. Now into the second section, let's say path change in our lives. Let's go for what is Tech Express. And here I'm going to be talking a little bit about my branding. Down here, how we help, let's say tutorials. And I change this animal rescue for, let's say, marketing. I go for design. And here I'm going to go for crypto. These are our mainly tutorials, so I can use these titles to look out here for the elements and change the photos and the videos. So for example, let's go for marketing. I have a lot of images that I can use, So I just select one, drag and drop, and do exactly the same thing. If there are elements that you don't want to see, just select them and delete it. Now here into what we do, let's say they're going to go for video editing. Select one photo that I would like to use, and we can try to do something even different. For example, I can delete the background, and we have now this font, right? Let's say that I'm going to be deleting the background color for something more wider. For example, this color doesn't look that bad. What we do, and I'm going to go for elements, and here let's say that I once again typed video edit, but instead of going for photos, let's go for a graphic. Into graphics, we can see that there's a lot of elements that we can choose for our content. Let's say, for example, that I choose this one, and I put this smaller and right above my text. What we do, and I move this a little bit down. There we go. Now meet our attribute rescue leaders. So if you want to, you can select a whole page, a whole section, and into the left part, go for delete the page. Now here into contact us, I'm gonna change this for a black color or a dark color. And here, let's say that I delete this and go for YouTube. If you want to, you can add a YouTube logo. To add that, let's say for example, I go for YouTube PNG logo into the internet. I go for images, and I think that this one works for me. So I just select this logo and go for copy the image, and I just paste it directly in here. So as you can see, this one looks really good. So as you can see, this one doesn't look that bad. I have the logo of the YouTube, and I'm gonna do exactly the same thing here. So when I think that I have now my website ready, I head now here for publish my website. Now into publish website, here it says resize on mobile, and website URL, in this case textpress.mycanva.site. This is totally up to you. If you wanted to, of course, create a new website, you can do it. So in my case, this one actually works for me. So TechExpress website, I could delete it for, let's say, TechExpress, and see if this one is available. If it is, then go for publish your website. Then your design should be prepared, and everything should be converted and transformed into an actual website. Then I can hit now into view my website, and my website should be appearing in here. So as you can see, it actually looks really great. Tutoring, what we do, contact us, and I clicked into this button to make sure this one sent me directly to TechExpress videos, and as you can see, this one actually works. So as you can see, guys, this is how we can actually get started with this creation of this publishing website here into Canva. So with that being said, guys, you have now reached the very end of the video. Hopefully this was very useful for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great elements of how we can get started here inside this edition of Canva. Thank you once again, guys. See you next time.